Jia also made another wrong move that he displayed the restaurant rules and regulations. And he also opened his kitchen, but soon he finally ended the policy. And now, in accordance with the latest news, no one could enter his cooking and witness cook's cooking skills. Jia Guolong was a very successful businessman in catering industry. He holds some live stream shopping with social comments to sell those pre-cooked meal, and it was a very lucrative business. Besides the Xibei Old Noodle Village restaurant, I also saw some Jia Guolong culinary masterpiece restaurant, but after a short time, I believe all of them are shut down, and even I could not find them at all. I had a dinner at Xibei Old Noodle Village restaurant. I think its taste is just so-so. I believe that it's not very attractive. Another famous and heated debate about Jia Guolong's restaurant is the cost. Its steamed bun costs RMB 21 yuan, and it is quite expensive. I just believe so. Why this restaurant is so attractive and there are still long queues outside the restaurant waiting for dinners? And Jia Guolong as the president of the restaurant also raised the price for its dinners, and it can still be popular among the public. I believe that is a marketing scheme. He raised the prices and made apologies, and then offered coupons to eaters. Then it still attracted many eaters. For example, just as I said, its steamed bun costs RMB 21. That is really a little bit expensive. At the same time, if you have a dinner or order some combo at KFC or McDonald's, it may cost RMB 20 yuan or 30 yuan, but it includes some hamburgers, fries, chips, even there are some beef patties, but at Jia Guolong's restaurant, there is only its steamed part costs RMB 21 yuan. That is a little bit unaffordable. If you want to splurge on a meal to appreciate yourself, and you want to spend a lot of money to have a dinner to treat yourself, I really want to taste some tableside cooking or cooked to the owner food. I do not want to have those packaged food. And then it is noticed that Luo Yonghao is a tough guy. He is a very famous online celebrity. Jia Guolong claimed to file a lawsuit against him, but I suggest him give up this idea. If you push Luo Yonghao to the end, it will bring serious damage to yourself. Luo Yonghao became famous as he was an English teacher at Oriental English training school, and some of his wordings are very famous from that time. After leaving school, he became an online celebrity. One of his famous action is that he bought a Siemens refrigerator, but its door cannot be closed completely, and maybe it opened automatically. Wen Hao read some complaint later and made some phone calls to Siemens, and Siemens just kept silent to him. Siemens is unwilling to make any response to him, so he called other people and to some restaurants to the gate of Siemens and smashed the icebox. Then this report became very famous in the public. Lu Yonghao's criticizing Xibei echoed public sentiment, and I believe he really gained some public support. After all, Lu Yonghao is social media influence. He just want to catch eyes. But Jia Guolong, the president of the restaurant, became the unlucky guy. And I really suggested him to keep silent, and he also made some wrong moves. Jia Guolong's Xibei Old Noodle Village restaurant was selected because I believe there are several reasons. Because it is not a small street-side restaurant. It's completely not a street store. It is a chain restaurant, and this person is very sensitive and strong. If that is a small-sized restaurant and unchained restaurant, and the price is very cheap and the manager is very vague, it cannot echo the public sentiment. And I hope it is necessary to enact and to enforce some laws about the pre-cooked meal. So when you are entering the restaurant, the waitress and the waitress has to tell you, and it has to be marked on the menu whether it is cooked to the ordered foods or it is packaged pre-cooked foods. I think it is much more comfortable for both restaurant and eaters. Even I suggest that they can be set at different prices. If you really want to enjoy a masterpiece or some luxury culinary masterpiece, and you can pay some high price, and if you could afford it. However, if you just want to have a common dinner and you want to have a cheap dishes, and you can offer some pre-cooked foods, but the focus is that it is important to mark it on the menu, or it has to be noticed by the restaurant. Thank you all. That is today's topic. Welcome to Frank's Talk Show. Thank you very much.